Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I have something very special for you. A speed drawing of Bridget from Descendants 4. I hope you enjoy it. Bridget is the younger version of the Queen of Hearts. Unlike her older self, Bridget is sweet, bubbly, and generous. She always gives compliments to others and is kind, even when it's not her fault. But not everyone is nice to her. Juliana and her gang played a cruel prank on Bridget, which made her become more villainous and demanding. It's interesting to see how her character changes throughout the movie. When Bridget was a student at Merlin Academy, she was in honors alchemy, which helped her learn to cook magical food. As a teenager, she practiced magical gastronomy, using her magic to make food with different effects. One of the most interesting things about Bridget is her ability to cook magical food, which is something she learned in her honors alchemy class at Merlin Academy. Besides her magical abilities, Bridget is also a talented singer. She has 2 songs in the movie, Shuffle of Love and Life is Sweeter. Bridget's journey in Descendants 4 is filled with ups and downs, but she always tries to stay positive. Her story teaches us that even when things get tough, it's important to stay kind and keep believing in ourselves. Whether she's dealing with mean pranks or learning new magical recipes, Bridget shows us that having a good heart and a positive attitude can make a big difference. And here is the final result. I hope you liked this speed drawing of Bridget. Don't forget to leave your comments below, tell me what you think, and suggest other characters you'd like to see in future videos. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!